Bangalore region. On my left is seated Mr. Ankit Singh. He's Assistant PF Commissioner. And further on the left is Anita. She's Enforcement Officer. On my right is Mr. Kini. He is Accounts Officer. Of the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana, PMVBRY, the Ministry of Labour and Employment is organizing a national PMVBRY event under the gracious presence of the Honorable Prime Minister of India on 19 June 2026 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. During the event, Honorable Prime Minister of India will disburse incentive amount amounting to approximately 2,400 crore to beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer. This incentive disbursement under PMVBRY is expected to support additional employment for more than 15 lakh persons. Around 1,200 invitees, including employer and employee beneficiaries and other distinguished guests, are expected to attend the main event in New Delhi. The Honorable Prime Minister will also interact with beneficiaries representing diverse regions of the country. The event will be telecasted on Doordarshan. The event will also be attended by Union Minister of Labour and Employment and Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, and Minister of State for Labour and Employment, Sushri Sobha Kandaraji, along with senior officials of the Ministry of Labour and Employment. As part of the nationwide outreach effort, regional programs will be organized simultaneously at 200 locations across the country. The regional programs will be graced by a wide spectrum of public representatives and dignitaries, including 2 governors, 5 chief ministers, 12 union ministers, 1 deputy chief minister, 13 state labor ministers, 39 state ministers, 59 members of parliament, 56 members of legislative assemblies, and 2 mayors. The participation alongside senior government officials, employers, employees will further strengthen the nationwide outreach of PMVBRY and underscore the collective commitment towards employment generation and workforce formalization. The proceedings of the main event at Vigyan Bhavan will be broadcast at all regional venues to facilitate nationwide participation. An estimated 65,000 to 70,000 participants are expected to attend the events across the country, including nearly 9,000 employer representatives and around 45,000 employees. EPFO Regional Office Mangaluru is organizing a program in alignment with the national program on 19 June 26, 4 p.m. onwards at the auditorium of the Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Bandar, Mangaluru. The following dignitaries have been invited to attend the program. Chief guest, Sri U.T. Kadar, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka. Guest of honor, Captain Brijesh Chauta, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, Dakshina Kannada. Shri D. Vedavasa Kamath, Honorable MP, MLA, Dr. Bharat Shetty, Honorable MLA, Shri Ivan D'Souza, Honorable MLC, Shri Vishwanath Shetty, Regional Committee Member, EPFO, and Shri P.B. Ahmed Mudassar, President, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry. In addition, representatives of various trade and industry associations, officers from different government departments, members of the media, employers, and employees are expected to attend the event. EPFO Regional Office Mangaluru has undertaken extensive publicity measures to create awareness among stakeholders and the general public for the event to be held on 19/6 to 26. A press conference was conducted at Mangaluru Press Club on 17/6/26, following which a press note was issued and carried by leading newspapers. The event has also been widely publicized through the official social media platforms of EPFO Regional Office Mangaluru. Additionally, hoardings and other publicity materials have been displayed at prominent locations across the city to enhance public outreach and awareness. About PMVBRY. PMVBRY is a flagship employment-linked incentive scheme of the Government of India aimed at promoting formal employment, supporting first-time entrants into the organized workforce, and incentivizing employers to create additional jobs. Under the scheme, eligible first-time employees receive 1 month's wage up to 15,000 rupees, while employers are provided incentives for a period of 2 years for generating additional employment. The manufacturing sector is eligible for extended support for an additional 2 years, thereby encouraging sustained job creation in labor-intensive industries. With a total outlay of Rs 99,446 crores, PMVBRY aims to facilitate the creation of over 3.5 crore jobs across the country over a period of 2 years. Of these, approximately 1.92 crore beneficiaries are expected to be first-time entrants into the formal workforce. The benefits under the scheme are applicable to jobs created between 1st August 25 and 31st July 27. The scheme seeks to expand social security coverage, promote equality employment, promote quality employment, and contribute to the vision of Viksit Bharat through inclusive and sustainable economic growth. The scheme comprises 2 components. Part A, incentive to first-time employees. Under this component, first-time employees registered with EPFO and earning wages up to Rs 1 lakh per month are eligible to receive an incentive equivalent to 1 month's wage up to maximum of 15,000 rupees in 2 installments. The first installment is payable after completion of 6 months of continuous service, while the second installment is payable after 12 months of service and completion of a financial literacy program. Employees who remain in continuous employment for more than 6 months become eligible to receive benefits under the scheme, reinforcing workforce retention and sustained formal employment. The second installment of the incentive will be retained in a savings instrument or deposit account for a fixed period to encourage long-term savings habit among young workers. Part B, support to employers. This component incentivizes employers for generating additional employment across all sectors. Employers will receive incentives of up to rupees 3,000 per month per additional employee for a period of 2 years, providing the employee remains in sustained employment for at least 6 months. For the manufacturing sector, these incentives are extended for an additional 2 years, covering the third and fourth years as well. To qualify, EPFO registered establishments must recruit at least 2 additional employees for establishments with fewer than 50 employees or 5 additional employees for establishments with 50 or more employees. All payments to first-time employees under Part A are made through direct benefit transfer using Aadhaar Bridge payment system, while incentives to employers under Part B are credited directly to their PAN-linked bank accounts. The PMVBRY scheme is expected to catalyze job creation, particularly in the manufacturing sector, while encouraging youth participation in the formal workforce. The scheme will also contribute substantially towards the formalization of employment and the expansion of social security coverage among millions of workers across the country. PMVBRY scheme has already demonstrated significant early success in promoting formal employment and supporting both workers and employers. In March 2026, benefits amounting to rupees 247 crore were disbursed under Part A of the scheme to 4.41 lakh first-time employees, providing direct financial support to young workers entering the formal workforce. Under Part B, incentives worth rupees 214 crore were released to 17,551 establishments that generated additional employment of approximately 6.46 lakh workers. Under the jurisdiction of RO Mangalore, benefits amounting to approximately rupees 47 lakhs are proposed to be disbursed to 1,255 eligible employees under Part A of the scheme, while incentives amounting to approximately rupees 5.3 crore are proposed to be released to approximately 3,000 eligible employers under Part B as on date. The upcoming benefit disbursement marks another significant milestone in the implementation of PMVBRY. The nationwide event reflects the government's continued commitment to employment generation, formalization of the workforce, and expansion of social security coverage. Through sustained support to both employees and employers, PMVBRY is emerging as a key pillar of India's employment strategy and a significant contributor towards the vision of Viksit Bharat. Thank you. So if you have any questions, we'll clarify those.